Here's how to assemble your Screenflex Clear Divider. Use 2 people to safely lift the partition onto a tabletop or another flat surface. Included in the packaging is an assembly kit with instructions and all the necessary tools. This kit includes 2 gusset plates with hooks, 8 Loctite bolts, 4 lock washers, and 1 Allen wrench. Also packaged with the divider are 2 horizontal legs with attached casters. Hook the first gusset plate into the 2 slots of the caster legs. Line up the 4 holes of the leg assembly to the corner of the partition. Insert the bolts in each of the 4 holes and tighten them with the Allen wrench. Then simply repeat the process for the other side of the divider. When both sides are assembled, carefully lift the partition back onto the ground. And now, after only a few minutes, your plexiglass divider is ready for use.